Hello everyone. I'm excited to show you today our first version of the DBT integration in Veezoo. Now for this video, we're going to set up Veezoo on top of the Chaffle shop, the classic DBT Labs example project. Now we're assuming that you've already set this up in the DBT cloud. Now the first step that we need to do is to use our existing account or to create a new account in Veezoo. I'm going to sign up here and connect Veezoo to the database where the transformed and cleaned tables are stored. We select now the tables that we would like to ask self-service questions on. That's the customers and the orders tables. These are the clean tables. And down here we also see, for instance, the intermediary tables of DBT. And now we'd already be good to go to actually start asking questions in Veezoo. But we're here to show you the DBT integration. So the first thing we do is we head to Veezoo Studio, the admin interface of Veezoo, go to integrations and select the DBT Cloud one. Now you need to put your service token in here with metadata permission. You can find it in the DBT Cloud under service tokens. Make sure that there's a metadata only access set. Just copy the key inside Veezoo. I will black it out in this video. And then you head down to the DBT Cloud sync in the knowledge graph section, and you put the DBT Cloud job ID of your corresponding job. You can find it in the URL when you have the job open. So you paste that in here, click Get Descriptions, and you actually see all the descriptions from your DBT model and how they actually map to the Veezoo concepts. So when they're all set, we head back to Veezoo. We quickly refresh this page to get the newest state, and we can open the knowledge graph. You see here, that's our data model from the Chaffle shop. When you hover over the attributes, you see actually the descriptions from the DBT models. You can also see it here in the sidebar. Of course, if they are set, you can see it here. But the interesting thing is that Veezoo also displays them actually in the answers itself. So I could ask, for instance, how did the average customer lifetime value develop by the month of the first order? And we see here our answer, and actually see that it seems to be going down, the customer lifetime value. So maybe we're not doing such a great job at our Chaffle shop. And back to the descriptions, you can hover now over the concept and see actually descriptions here as well. So like exactly in the context of the answer where you're very often actually interested in seeing them. So as another example, I could ask, show me all customers with their first order in 2018 and no order 2019, maybe for a marketing upselling campaign. And you see also here in those filter pills, the descriptions correctly put. And maybe as a last example, I can ask what percentage of orders had a gift card amount above $5 in April 2018. And Veezoo tells us it's 25% and gives us here also the curve over the days in April. And it seems we didn't have so many orders in April, at least not with this gift card amount. Hovering again over it tells us it's actually not US dollars, it's actually Australian dollars. And it seems to be possible that an order can be paid by various payment methods at the same time. So that's also an interesting insight that we can now infer from those descriptions shown directly in the answer. I hope you liked the DBT integration, and we invite you to try it out and have fun with it.